This is oil sludge data you must know. Knowing that you have oil sludge in your engine, the next step is for you to clean it. But before you can clean oil sludge, you need to know the composition of the oil sludge. For example, to clean a water in your sitting room, a rag is sufficient to do that. But to clean a spill oil in a mechanic workshop, more is needed than just a rag. Rather, sometimes detergent can be applied for proper cleaning. There are three major contaminants that form an oil sludge in an engine. Let's go through it as you can see on the diagram. Number one is oxidized oil components. This is the primary aspect of oil sludge. It forms the biggest part of oil sludge. It includes degraded hydrocarbon from the engine oil, which is sometimes amounted to 50 to 70% of oil sludge. What is number two, which is coolant? If coolant leaks down to the engine oil into the sump, then it's also going to form oil sludge. This is amounted to 10 to 20%, and it is not usually always. Coolant is not always be found in oil sludge because sometimes you may not have coolant leakage with the oil. What is number three is contaminant and deposits. This also includes carbon deposit, metal, particles, dirt, and soot. This is also a huge part of engine oil sludge. Let me know in the comment section how you have been cleaning the oil sludge in your engine. Now let me tell you how the best way to clean oil sludge in the engine to remove oil sludge from your engine. I'll tell you 4 steps that you must take. Number one is that you must use additive. Yes, you need an engine additive. Go to the market and buy engine sludge remover. There are many of it in the market, so you can buy. You need to check the instruction written on it by the manufacturer so that you can get the best result. You must warm the engine up for 10 to 15 minutes. Note, please don't drive the engine. The purpose of running the engine is to increase the temperature of the engine. However, in some cases, you need to use additive more than once to remove oil sludge. After you have warmed the engine for 10 to 15 minutes, what's the next step, which is number two? Drain the dirty oil. You need to remove the oil drain plug from the sump so that the dirty oil can be removed from the engine. And you should know that you need a drain pan so that to avoid oil spill. Number three, you need to install a new oil filter. The old oil filter must be changed, and you must install a new oil filter as a part of the process of cleaning oil sludge. Don't ignore oil filter and don't forget to do so. Step 4, you need to add fresh oil. Once you drain the old oil, you should install the drain plug. Don't forget this. Install the drain plug back before you put new oil. And what is step 5 is that you need to check the oil level. Make sure that you make use of the dipstick to measure the level of the oil in the engine. As you do this, you will be able to know the engine oil level. It should be accurate, not too much and not too low. But what if the engine oil sludge is so bad that it causes oil starvation? For example, if you check the upper side of the engine, you notice that there is no oil on the rocker arm. Yet it could happen. You may have a serious oil sludge that additive cannot remove. What should you do? That will be covered in my next video. That is why it is very important for you to subscribe to my channel, so when I drop this important video, you will be notified by the YouTube so that you can watch and know how you can remove oil sludge when additive fail. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.